Welcome to the tribe-16 Customer Appreciation Weekend at WolfCaves out in Mason, Texas. You want to talk about a group of people that open their arms wide open like they've known you all their lives? This is the group. From mild to wild, if you want it built, call Adam at tribe-16. He will fix you right up.
Now bring it back. Hard, hard, hard.
Straight. Keep going. All the way up.
Come on up. Come on up. Come on up. Come on. Got it. Come on. All right. Stop right there. Hard that way. Back up. There you go. Come on. A little bit. There you go. Hard drive.
You're pretty tall, so you probably won't.
His might be the one to do it because it's... But if you can get your tires on this, you would walk it. The door though, so look at that one. The second you can be like this one better, where you want to keep your side over that. Here, like that better with my car. Well, there ain't no you might.
Yeah.
Just hold that line.
Alright. He's on 37.
Yeah, you might be better off. Yeah. Well, if we can judge this right now. Good. You see, you has a new tire on that rock he's on. We moved those other ones because they weren't there. So it was dropping it. I feel like, yes, easy. That's when you get a driver. While you're moving, start going. Yeah. All right. get a parts list and build it.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Go up right here.
I have no idea. I can call the yellow.
Okay, well, if you have a keen eye, you'll notice that the steering wheel is turned pretty much 90 degrees to the left here. And, well, the tires, not so much turned to the left. Actually, they're pretty kind of sort of straight to the body. So we have a problem here. Let's get it all checked out. All right, so we just got ourselves in a little bit of a precarious position where we were trying to come downhill, off camber, loaded the right front tire really hard. I don't have hydro assist.
We need to bend it the other way now, right, AJ?
So, yeah, if we bend it, we're going to have to go the other way.
So, with my logic, if you bend it that way coming down, that means you need to go back up to bend it the other direction.
Let's hope not. Anyway, we got the steering wheel straightened out. What we did is we got all the steering linkage and stuff way out of whack. So our gearbox was actually technically turned left, but the tires were still going straight, so I had no left turning capabilities. Anyway, we got it centered back up somewhat and carry on. just like that, our day had come to an end. I only thought it fitting to end it up here on the top of Flag Hill, Wolf Caves, Mason, Texas. What an amazing day, an amazing park, amazing views, and amazing trails. I tell you what, if you have a rig and you want to do some serious adventuring, head out here to Wolf Caves out here in Mason, Texas. But let me tell you, this park is not for the lighthearted at all. The park trail road should be a badge of honor trail. But just like that, it was time to come to an end. But let me tell you, tribe-16 definitely knows how to throw a shindig here for sure. We had homemade deer sausage, baked beans, multiple potato salad, cheeseburgers, salads, all kinds of chips and dips, jalapeno poppers, you name it. It was definitely the event of events that I've ever been to. Thank you, tribe-16, for inviting me. I definitely had a blast. Adam, you are an amazing dude, and I look so much forward to seeking out your talents someday. But for now, it's all over with, and well, Corey said, lights out.